Friends, imagine this. You live in a tiny apartment, maybe 1 BHK, crowded city, no garden, no backyard. But still, you're growing 100 plus plants. Yes, in just 10 square feet. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But no, this is real. And today, we're diving deep into smart farming in small spaces. Science for future talk. Let's begin. Let's start with the big one, vertical farming. Why go horizontal? Jab vertical ka rocket hai. Instead of spreading crops sideways, you stack them upwards, like a tower of greenery. NASA started experimenting with vertical farming to grow food on Mars. Singapore is already feeding its citizens through these smart towers. Imagine strawberries growing on your window. In a 10 square FT space, you can install a vertical hydroponic unit. 5 layers, 20 plants per layer, 100 plants. Simple maths, super science, friends. Most people think plants need soil, but actually, plants need nutrients, and soil is just a delivery guy. Hydroponics is like Zomato for plants. Nutrients delivered directly to roots through water. Benefits? 90% less water usage, no pesticides. 3x faster growth than traditional methods. From lettuce to basil, tomatoes to spinach, your balcony becomes a bio-lab of nutrition. Okay, question. What if you don't get enough sunlight? Answer. Bring your own sun. With full-spectrum LED grow lights, we can simulate daylight, 24/7, 365 days. Plants grow faster, stronger, smarter, all thanks to photon engineering. Urban smart farms now use AI-controlled lighting, where the lights adjust automatically based on the plant's mood. Yup, AI knows when your spinach is feeling low. Today's farms are no longer just muddy fields. They're connected ecosystems, with sensors monitoring everything from humidity, temperature, pH level, nutrient concentration. And if something's wrong, your phone gets an alert, just like Netflix telling you to finish the last episode. Only now it's your tomato saying, "Hey, I'm thirsty." Let me tell you about Priya, a 29-year-old from Mumbai. One day, she saw a documentary on smart farms. Next day, she invested $12,000 in a DIY vertical hydroponic kit. 3 months later, she's growing cherry tomatoes, coriander, mint, kale, bell peppers. And guess what? She's selling her extras to neighbors via WhatsApp. Her kitchen garden became a side hustle. Now imagine the future. Entire apartment buildings growing their own food. Self-watering walls that harvest rainwater. AI chefs recommending meals based on what's fresh in your mini farm. Oh, and bonus twist? Indian scientists are working on space-grade soil-less farming, originally designed for moon missions, now being adapted for Delhi rooftops. We're literally turning cities into ecosystems. Your home is the new farm Dostan. If we can build smartphones smarter than our brains, if we can send Chandrayaan to the moon, then we can definitely grow 100 plus plants in 10 square feet. This is not just farming. This is a silent revolution. It's about reclaiming control over your food, reducing your carbon footprint, eating fresh, organic, and local, all from your balcony.